Hello viewers. Today we are in a very beautiful, charming and small city, Landshut, located in Bavaria. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this lovely place and share some interesting historical points along the way. First of all, a small request to all of you watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot to us and gives us the motivation to keep creating more content for you. If you're watching our videos, we hope you're enjoying them, so don't forget to show your support by liking them. And please do share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know how we can improve and make our videos even better. If you need any information about anything, feel free to ask directly in the comments. We'd be more than happy to help. We are truly grateful for your support and for being a part of our journey. So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's begin today's vlog. The Schlosserei Isar, often associated with the Isar Villa, is a historic building complex located in Landshut along the banks of the Isar River. This protected heritage site has been carefully restored and now houses modern office spaces, including the practice of notary Christian Steyer. Originally, the property served as an industrial site, at times even operating as a tobacco mill. Its history dates all the way back to the 15th century, reflecting centuries of change and development. Today, the estate, sometimes referred to in historical contexts as a fairy tale castle, has been extensively renovated. Great care was taken to preserve its historic charm while seamlessly integrating contemporary office facilities. The Maxware in Landshut is a historic, frequently rebuilt Isar Weir with origins in the 14th century, specifically established in its current form in 1810 by King Max I Joseph. Primarily built for water management, it was later modernized, 1954 to 1956, into a hydroelectric power plant that currently generates electricity for about 8,500 households.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a life at. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the
Sitting on this side of the river, you can admire the buildings across the water, each one painted in completely different color. When their reflections fall onto the surface of the river, it creates an incredibly beautiful and almost magical view. It's especially stunning in the early morning when the light is soft and peaceful, and even more captivating in the evening as the sun slowly sets. At that moment, the entire scene transforms into something truly unforgettable, calm, colorful, and absolutely breathtaking. Located in the Old Town, it features a 15th century Hammertaler Madonna and acts as a venue for modern art exhibitions, often with free entry. Located in the center of Landshut's historic Old Town, generally open for exhibitions. As soon as we step out of the church, just across on the left side, the old historical market of Landshut Main Bazaar begins. This is the central market area, stretching for around 1.5 kilometers.
Darling, down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone.
And on both sides, you'll find incredibly beautiful and charming buildings. During Christmas and Easter, the atmosphere here becomes even more vibrant and lively. It's truly a sight to behold. Each building is decorated with unique lighting, reflecting its historical character and charm. Alongside that, there's a wonderful display of artistry and craftsmanship, almost like an open-air exhibition. Through creative lighting and thoughtful decoration, the entire market is presented in such an elegant and captivating way that it leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. During festival days, or even on regular weekends, this market comes alive with an incredible energy. There's always a lively buzz here, people moving around, exploring, enjoying the atmosphere.
We were dating right till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. Oh, after all this time, this is it for us. After should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see.
You'll find all kinds of shops in this market, everything you could possibly need. And when it comes to food, it's just as impressive. A wide variety of options offering every kind of taste and flavor. No matter what you're craving, this place has something for everyone, making it a truly vibrant and unforgettable experience. St. Martin's Church in Landshut, Germany, is a masterpiece of Gothic brick architecture, renowned for having the world's tallest brick tower at 130.1 meters, approximately 427 feet. Construction began around 1389 and was completed in 1500, taking about 110 years to finish. It is a stunning, largely unadorned brick structure in the town center. Located in the heart of Landshut's Old Town, acting as the primary city landmark along with Trausnitz Castle. It houses an impressive 8-meter-long choir elbow cross from 1495 and a unique hexagonal pulpit carved from a single stone. The church is open to visitors daily. Landshut's Old Town, Altstadt, features vibrant pastel-colored late Gothic townhouses that served as prestigious residences for rich merchants and noblemen, establishing the city as a prosperous 15th-century Bavarian trade center. These structures represent the historic power of the Wittelsbach dynasty, exemplified by the nearby Trausnitz Castle and the towering St. Martin's Church. So, dear viewers, this was our short little vlog about this beautiful city, one that is not only charming but also rich in history. I hope you had the chance to notice some interesting points and that something you saw or heard here sparked your curiosity. Maybe it even inspired you to learn more about this place or to plan a visit yourself. It's a very peaceful and relaxing city, a place you can visit anytime and truly enjoy. If you liked this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please do share your thoughts in the comments. It really means a lot. Inshallah, we'll meet again very soon in our next vlog. Until then, take care and goodbye.